In this tutorial, you will learn how to run a Python program from the terminal on your Raspberry Pi. So here I have created a very super simple program, just print something, just print hello, and I have saved my program, and you can see the path of the program is here. So you may create a Python program with any text editor or IDE you want, with, for example, Thorny Python IDE, Nano, Vim, etc. Well, that's not a problem. And now, if you want to run the Python program from the terminal, so first, of course, open the terminal, and then you will have to locate that Python program. So here, if I do ls, I can list the files that are in my current directory, okay, the files and the folders. And I have put my program in my programs folder. So with cd, you can navigate in the file system. So I just tap my and then tab for auto-completion, and I am in my programs. ls again, and I see my first program.py. So to make it run, the first easy step is simply to do Python 3 and then my first program.py. And you can use the auto-completion here, as you can see. So I press enter, and now you can see hello, which is what we have asked the program to do. And now, and to create a real executable from that file, what you can do is to make this file executable, so you can directly launch it. So you can do chmod plus x, and then the name of the program. And then when you do ls again, you will see your file will actually be bold and in green. This means it's an executable. And to run this, you can do this dot slash and my first program.py. And you will see you will have an error here, because when you directly run a script like this, the terminal doesn't necessarily know this is a Python file, okay? Because before you used Python 3 to run the script, so you can still do that. But if you just want to run the executable like that, you have to provide here at the top of the file a shebang line, okay? So with the hashtag exclamation mark, and then slash user slash bin slash env, and then space Python 3. So this line will basically tell what command is required to run the following of the program. So you can save the file here and then go back to here. So this is the same file we are running here, and now I'm running that again. This is still executable. I run it, and then you can see it's working hello. So to run a Python script in the terminal, you can either do Python 3 and then my script.py, or you can make it executable, provide the shebang here, and directly run the executable like this. If you liked this video, subscribe to get more tutorials like this in the future. Also, check out my online courses so you can learn Raspberry Pi step by step in an efficient way by practicing and directly going to the point. Links in the description. Alright, thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial or in one of my courses.